Hello, everyone. Today is Sunday, October 30th, 2022. Come on, man. It's Sunday, October 30th, 2022 at 3:42 a.m. It's raining. I don't think I got any sleep at all, and twisting and turning all night and no sleep. And so my part of my sleeping bag got wet. So I'm stuck out here at the moment. But I was hoping to get help with the hotel room, but I mean I'm cold, but you know, I just want to stay dry, safe, warm, and dry, you know. So I missed earlier. Well, last night they had a white truck with um. There was a white truck with one brake light, and I missed it. I was like very mad because I didn't catch it. But it was a white truck with one brake light or one tail light or something like that. I think it was one brake light. And then by the time I tried to catch it, they hurry up and drove off. And then when I tried to go potty or whatever, um, when I tried to go pee, they had a Porsche blocking. They deliberately parked. When they had other empty spaces, but they deliberately parked and blocked where I would normally go pee at. And, I don't want to say too much, but there are certain things I can't describe, but they deliberately blocked where where I usually would go pee at, but then I had to go somewhere else and pee, but luckily nobody saw me. So, the cotton part of my sleeping bag, I don't want it to get any more wet. So I'm gonna go for now.